Everybody loves care plans, right? I know you're going to say yes, right? I love care plans. I love teaching care plans. One of the questions students ask me is, well, Sherry, how do you know which Nanda to pick for your patient? Well, number one, we're going to look at our problems. What problem does your patient have? What are you assigned to do? If you're not assigned to fix something, then you don't want to look at that problem. Okay? So you have to match it up. What's going on with your patient? What areas of care are you assigned to do? Then you have to prioritize according to Maslow. What's the most important on the list? Is there anything life-threatening that I have to take care of first? You know, we always want to look at airway, breathing, circulation, and pain. And now we're not using pain, but we can substitute comfort for that. So you always want to ask, do I have a patient that has an airway problem, a circulation problem, or a comfort problem? And am I assigned to do something with that? Do they have signs and symptoms that show me that a problem actually exists? If the answer is yes to all three of those things, do I have a problem? Am I assigned to do anything with it? And does the patient have signs and symptoms? If the answer is yes to all that, that just might be the Nanda that you need to choose. For more information about my care plans, be sure to check out the website www.atlclinicalworkshop.com.